Welcome to another new video. Ensuring guest safety starts with proper disinfection. Today, we'll show you how to prepare a 1000 ppm chlorine disinfectant solution using 5% and 10% bleach, commonly used in housekeeping and laundry. Bleach comes in different concentrations. The percentage on the label tells us how much available chlorine it contains. To disinfect surfaces, we must dilute it to 1000 parts per million to ensure safety and effectiveness. Today we will focus on 5% and 10% bleach only. Remember, 5% have 50,000 parts per million chlorine. 10% have 100,000 parts per million chlorine. To prepare a 1000 parts per million chlorine disinfectant solution, we should know two important things. 1. How many litres of water will you use? 2. Which percentage of bleach will you use? We will divide the preparation process into two sections. 1. The things we need to prepare the solution. 2. The steps of preparing process. 1. The things we need to prepare the solution. We need 5 things. 1. PPE, which is gloves, mask and apron. 2 plastic bucket with a good cover. 3 plastic sticks or big plastic spoons. 4. Flask, 5 solution formula. 2. The steps of preparing process. First, we need to prepare the solution formula. To prepare the solution, use this formula. Desired ppm divided by chlorine percent times 1000 equals milliliters of bleach per 1 litre of water. Let's say you will use 10 litres of water and 5% bleach. So your formula will be 1000 ppm, which you want to prepare. No, that's wrong. Remember, ppm means parts per million, so we need to divide it 1000 by million, which equals 0.001. Then we divided this number by 5%, which is the percentage of the bleach you use. Finally, multiplied by 1000. The result will be 20, which is the amount of milliliters of bleach you need to put for each 1 litre of water. We use 10 litres of water, so we must multiply 20 milliliters by 10, which is 200 milliliters. In short, if you use 5% bleach, add 20 milliliters of it to each litre of water. And if you use 10% bleach, add 10 milliliters of it to each litre of water. We have finished our formula. What we do next? 1. Wear the PPE, which is gloves, mask and apron. 2. Bring a plastic bucket with a good cover and fill it with 10 litres of water. Be careful, we use cold water, not hot water. 3. Measure 200 milliliters of bleach, carefully using a flask or any measure tool like injection. 4. Put the 200 milliliters of bleach on water. Don't put water on bleach. 5. Mix them with a plastic stick. 6. Seal the cover. We'll then put label on the bucket and write the date on it. 7. Store the bucket in safe place away from sun and heat. Now, the solution is ready to use. How do we use it? To use the solution, follow these steps. 1. Take the amount which you need in spray bottle. 2. Spray the solution on the surface you want to disinfect. 3. Leave it for 1 minute. 4. Wipe it with a cleaning cloth. Note that each surface requires its own specific disinfection solution, method, and contact time. By following these simple steps, hotels can ensure proper infection control and guest safety. For consulting and training services about health, safety, and sustainability, contact Safe Audit at admin@safe-audits.com, or you can visit our website www.safe-audits.com or follow our page on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe.